This tutorial review will show you how to delete all of your Instagram photos at once. Open your Insta application, open your profile, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right corner, tap on your activity, tap on photos and videos, tap on post, and here you will get all of your Instagram photos you posted on your profile. Now tap on select at the top right. Now all you have to need, just select all of your photos or those photos you want to delete. Tap on delete, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.